So you are ready to do your at-home sleep study. Please make sure that this is the last thing you do before going to bed at night. So brush your teeth, put on your appliance, and now you're ready to hook yourself up. There are 2 belts, one for the chest and one for the belly. There are buttons to which you will snap both belts. The wires are to be flat against your shirt or pajamas. The cannula. The cannula goes on the side of the computer. Just make sure that you push it and secure it properly. There are drawings to follow on how to successfully attach it to your nose. The last and most important component is the oximeter. It goes on your non-dominant hand, and you wear it like a watch. Slide the probe, the finger probe, so that you can see a little bit of your fingertip, and the wire has to be on top. We have provided medical tape to tape and secure the wire. The oximeter does not have an on or off button. It will turn off automatically when the finger is in the finger probe. Now we're ready to turn on the computer. The middle button is the only one that you will be concerned about. Press it once, it will bring the green light on. It will bring a message that says hold middle button down and start recording. Hold it until you see the bar get solid, and when you see the number 2, let go. You now are ready to go to bed. Alternate oximetry. If the oximeter provided in your kit resembles the one without the screen, it's basically the same steps. However, in order to activate it, you need to press down on the lid. The flashing light will continue flashing orange until the computer on your chest is turned on. After the computer is turned on and is recording, the orange light will turn to green. In the morning, when you are done, you finish your sleep study, loosen up the lid to preserve the battery for the following night. Good night and sweet dreams.